Welcome to the future of PC gaming. Imagine stepping into a world where technology and creativity blend seamlessly, giving you the power to experience games like never before. It's 2025, and games have never looked or felt better. Graphics are more lifelike, worlds are more immersive, and every detail is sharper and more vibrant than ever. Building your own PC is like adult Lego, a creative process that lets you piece together the perfect machine. Each component you choose brings you closer to a system that can transport you to other worlds, whether you're exploring distant galaxies or racing through futuristic cities. Today, we'll build the ultimate gaming rig for 2025, a system designed to handle anything you throw at it. From the most demanding 8AA titles to the latest VR experiences, a gaming PC is designed to play video games at the highest quality, with a powerful CPU and GPU at its heart. These components are the engine and the brain, working together to deliver smooth, stunning gameplay. This year, the AMD Ryzen 9 99950X 3D and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 are game changers. They set new standards for speed, efficiency, and graphical power, making every gaming moment unforgettable. Imagine playing the latest games at max settings without a stutter. Every frame is buttery smooth, every texture pops, and you're fully immersed in the action. Building your own PC gives you control over every component, from the case design to the cooling system. You get to decide what matters most: performance, aesthetics, or both. Choose your style, storage, and power needs. Whether you want lightning-fast SSDs, RGB lighting, or silent fans, the choice is yours. It's a journey ending with a powerful personal machine that reflects your personality and gaming ambitions. Every step, from unboxing parts to the final assembly, is part of the adventure. And when you hit that power button for the first time, it's pure magic. The lights glow, the fans spin up, and your dream machine comes to life, ready to take you anywhere you want to go. Let's dive into the details of building your dream machine and discover how you can create the ultimate gaming experience for 2025 and beyond. Meet the brain of your gaming beast, the AMD Ryzen 9 99950X 3D. This CPU is all about speed, directing your computer's operations. Its 3D V-Cache technology gives it a super-fast memory boost. This means higher frame rates and a stable gaming experience. Compared to older models, it has more cores and faster speeds. It's perfect for gaming, streaming, and creative work. This CPU ensures your PC is fast and responsive for years. Paired with a powerful GPU, it delivers an unbeatable gaming experience. The GPU is the heart of your gaming PC, creating stunning visuals and bringing your games to life with incredible detail and vibrant colors. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 is a masterpiece for 2025, designed to push the boundaries of what's possible in gaming. It excels in rendering power and ray tracing for realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections, making every scene look lifelike. This card allows full ray tracing without sacrificing frame rates, ensuring smooth and immersive gameplay even in the most demanding titles. Compared to the RTX 4080, it offers more raw performance, making it the go-to choice for gamers seeking the best experience. DLSS technology boosts frame rates while keeping images sharp, allowing you to enjoy high-quality visuals without compromising on speed. The RTX 5080 is perfect for high-resolution gaming, delivering crisp and detailed images that make every game look stunning. It pairs seamlessly with our Ryzen CPU for a visual masterpiece, creating a powerful and efficient gaming setup. Your friends will be amazed by your new rig's performance, making you the envy of your gaming circle. A great CPU and GPU need a strong supporting cast. Choose a motherboard with the latest AM5 socket for stability. Opt for 32GB of DDR5 RAM for smooth multitasking. A fast NVMe M2 SSD ensures quick boot and load times. Add a larger SATA SSD for your game library. A high-quality PSU is crucial for stability and future upgrades. An 80+ gold-rated PSU with 1000 watts is ideal. Modular PSUs improve cable management and airflow. These components ensure your PC runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's assemble this powerhouse. Now, let's get ready to assemble our amazing parts. There's something truly special about building your own PC from scratch. Each component you pick out is a step toward creating a machine that's uniquely yours, tailored to your needs and style. Start by working in a clean, well-lit area and always ground yourself to avoid static electricity. This simple step protects your precious components and sets you up for a smooth build. Don't rush, follow the manuals for a clear, step-by-step build process. Taking your time ensures you don't miss any important details and helps you learn how each part fits together. Begin by installing the CPU, RAM, and SSD onto the motherboard. These are the heart and memory of your system, and getting them right is key to a powerful build. Next, carefully mount the motherboard into the case, then install the GPU and PSU. Each part clicks into place, bringing your vision closer to reality. Take time to manage your cables neatly for better airflow and a cleaner look. Good cable management not only helps with cooling but also makes future upgrades easier. Pressing the power button for the first time is truly magical. The lights flicker on, and you know you've brought your creation to life. Building your own PC teaches you valuable skills, from troubleshooting to understanding how computers work, and it can save you a lot of money compared to buying pre-built systems. You gain a real sense of ownership and pride in your custom-built machine, knowing every part was chosen and installed by you. And finally, you get to enjoy gaming on a PC you built with your own hands, a truly rewarding experience that makes every victory even sweeter.